Hey guys, it's Michael. It's February 13th, 2018. We are going to do a recap of creating pages and menus, and then we're going to add content to our pages. So to review, let's go to Dashboard, and we're going to go to Pages. Some of you guys have already created pages, so this is just to refresh. And let's go ahead and do About Me. You can name your pages anything you want. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and publish and add new. Resume, I'm not going to add any special characters. I'm just going to publish. Now I'm going to do a couple of just test pages. You guys might create a photo gallery, any number of things, your portfolio, your videos, just whatever it is you want. I'm just simply calling this test. Okay, add new. So test 2 and publish. And then we'll add new and we'll call this test 3 and publish. Okay, let's have a look at our page. Right now, there's not a menu. You'll most likely see this. So let's create a menu. Go to your dashboard, appearances, menu. And I'm going to go ahead and create a menu and call it My Site. And then we want to select all, or whatever it is you want to be in the menu. So let's go ahead and do that, and let's add to menu. And here we have our menu. So behave. There we go. Okay, then we want to save menu. Now if you'll go to your site, you should see your menu. And there it is. Okay, so another word about menus, just to recap. If you want to create sub-items in your menu, go back to your menu, and let's go ahead and pull over to the right just a little bit, and this will create what's called a sub-item. And this is useful if you're creating a website that has numerous pages and you want to just organize your menu. Save menu, and this is what it looks like. View site, and here's what a submenu will look like. You can navigate through this, and it just makes your menu smaller. This is useful again if you're creating for a client, or if you're just building one big web page with dozens of pages, which I hope you do. So let's go back and let's go to Appearance and Menus, and let's slide over. Okay, like that. Let's save the menu. Let's have another peek at what it looks like. Okay, here we have our menu. Okay, next we installed a title remover plugin, and that'll remove the title here. See, I mean, we don't have to see this every time. To do so, go to Dashboard, Plugins, and then we want to go to Add New. And then over here in the search, we want to do Title Remover. I could see. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of plugins that are title remover. Don't get creative, just use this one here. You're going to be prompted to install now. So install. After it installs, you'll click activate. Once you click activate, the title remover plugin is installed. So go to your pages. Let's just view all pages, and about me. Let's just hit edit, and you'll see over here hide title. I think this is really useful. Okay, and before we move on to the next section of adding content, I noticed Victoria had multiple pages showing up as a one-page slider for her website. Let me show you how to fix that. So go to Customize, go to Homepage Settings, and we want to choose a static page. And here we want to choose a certain page. Let's choose About Me. Okay, so that'll give you just an opening page that has information. We can hide that title, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So we want to publish. So again, that's a static page. Let me back up. It's Homepage Settings, a static page, and you see it goes here, and we'll choose About Me. Of course, you can choose your resume if you want, whatever page you want to display. And then definitely publish. Okay, so again, if we want to not display the title, let's go to About Me, edit, and let's hide title, update, go back to your website, and we have a static page, and it's About Me. Okay, so let's see if we can go to Appearance, a menu, and let's just remove About Me from the menu. Visit site. Yes, so we don't have About Me already as a separate page. It's already on the front page, so we don't need it. And again, you can add as many pages as you want, and your About page is the one that we've chose. Homepage Settings, About Me. So the About Me page still lives, but it's not in the navigation. So you can actually have several pages that are buried in your website that aren't in your navigation menu, and this will come in helpful for you in the future. You can create internal links to these hidden pages and many other applications. I'll show you and share with you later as the class goes. But for now, this gets you squared away on getting your page, not a one-page slider. So just navigate. You can see I don't have these titles hidden. The title remover is really cool. I'm not a big fan of having the title on every page. Okay, so that recaps where we're at. Now it's time to add content. And I realized I was going fast in this video. Feel free to stop it, pause it. If you have a question, don't hesitate to call me. I'm at your service. It's what I'm here for. And I apologize for missing today. So let's go back to the dashboard. And this is where we're going to start adding our content. So let's start with all pages so we can view all of our pages. And remember that you can have multiple pages that are hidden internally in your website to create internal links. And I'll share that with you in another lesson or another day. But let's start with About Me. And again, you can label it anything you want. Welcome to my website. Anything. Welcome to my world. A couple things. We want to make sure that we're in visual mode and not text mode. And I'll explain the difference later. So let's go ahead and make sure we're in visual mode. We're hiding the title. And I recommend that you have your information already typed out. Especially, when you come to class, I don't want you to have to sit there and think of what you're going to add to your bio, your resume. Have this stuff already typed up. Don't go to a lot of trouble to format your resume. Just have it typed out, because ultimately we're going to copy, and I want you to let's see if we get it. Paste as plain text. Always paste as plain text. You have the option to paste, and what this does is it pastes the formatting and the fonts for whatever you're copying, which is okay. But the bad thing is you'll end up with a hodgepodge of fonts and typography that doesn't look so good. You may notice in Blackboard people have posts that have words that are bigger than others, and that's due to mismatching the format of the typography. So we want to paste as plain text. What I do want to show you at this point, and I do want you to make sure that you're on visual mode, but if you go to text, you'll notice that it looks similar, but it gets tricky, and it has code. So let me see if I can create a code for you here to give you an example. Yes, here is a code. This is the code for a space, and as your website gets longer, let me just show you real quick. You've created a space, and let's do a paragraph, for example. If you go to text, it didn't create it, the paragraph per se, but we're seeing it. Anyway, just be aware that we want to be on visual mode. I'm going to delete the HTML code for space, and I'm going to go ahead and undo the paragraph. If you did want to create a paragraph, let's preview first, and this should be your front page. Okay, and you can also edit from this page as well. Yikes, where did it go? Let's see. About me. Oh, my text is gone. Interesting. Visual text, page filter, return to editor. Okay. Interesting. Okay, well that's alright. Just paste this plain text. There's our visual. Okay. So we really don't have a problem right now with separating paragraphs. But I can show you how to do that, and I'll do it later. So just to be on the safe side, let's update. And if things go wrong and you want to go back, WordPress automatically does revisions for you. So within this short amount of time, it's already created 3 revisions of this page. You can browse these revisions and restore them. That's just something for you to know. Okay, so let's see where we're at now. And here's our front page. And there we have it. we've omitted About Me from the navigation because it's our front page. We no longer need it. And here are my pages. Now let's continue on. Let's do another one. Let's add your resume. And for me, I'm going to just copy my website resume. I'll just copy this much of it. Copy. Then we'll go back. I know what happened here. So let's go back and paste this plain text. And if you notice, it doesn't have the bullets. Okay, so where am I? It's about me. And so I'm on resume. Since we added WP edit down here, we can add our bullets if we want to. You'll need to go back and do a couple formatting things, which I'll help you with. The main goal for today is to just simply add content. And you can add your bullets like that, or you can do numbers. And I'm moving kind of quick here, so there we go. Etc. and so on. So you can do all of this yourself. So again, start adding your content. Don't wait. And then once you've done that, click update. And I want to hide the title for the resume. Remember, hiding the title is not hiding it from the navigation. It's just hiding it from the page. So let's see where we're at. So you can have all of this here. Test 1. We haven't added any content. Here's my resume. It's kind of halfway formatted. Test 3. Okay, so go through and add your content to your pages. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on Thursday. Get your content together. There's a lot to cover, a lot more I'm looking forward to showing you and helping you achieve your professional goals. Again, if you have any questions whatsoever, never hesitate to reach out to me.